All right, let's dig into a huge question today. We're in the middle of a new AI gold rush. So where is the actual gold? I'll give you a hint. It is not where you think it is.
You've seen this, right? I mean, just scroll through your social media feeds. You are guaranteed to see a video promising you can get rich with AI, like overnight. It's super tempting, but what's the real story behind all the hype? Well, here's the harsh reality. It's pretty much all an illusion. The people who are really getting rich are the ones selling you the dream, not the ones actually living it.
So why do these get-rich-quick schemes almost always fail? It really boils down to a super simple economic idea we can call a race to zero. Just think about it for a second. If millions of people are all using the same AI tools with similar prompts to generate a flood of eBooks or stock photos or videos, what happens to the value of any one of those things? It completely plummets. It just becomes another drop in the ocean, making it basically worthless.
This isn't some new revolutionary idea. It's the classic gold rush principle. And what's the number one rule in any gold rush? The people who consistently make the real money aren't the ones panning for gold. They're the ones selling the shovels.
And this slide right here, it perfectly captures the AI world today. On one side, you have the gold digger, who's just generating the same generic content as everyone else, fighting for scraps in a totally flooded market. But then you've got the shovel seller. They're the ones building the tools, the platforms, the services that everyone else is using. They aren't just competing, they're creating a whole new market for themselves. So, the most important point to remember is this. The actual market value of infinitely replicable generic AI content is heading straight towards a big fat zero.
Okay, so if just generating content is a dead end, what's the alternative? We need a major shift in how we think about this. We have to stop seeing AI as some kind of magic money printer and start seeing it as an engine. Seriously, you have to stop looking at AI as a magic button that just spits out cash. It's not an ATM. That whole mindset, it's a trap. Instead, start seeing AI for what it actually is, an incredibly powerful engine. But here's the key. You don't sell the engine by itself, right? Of course not. You use that amazing engine to build something bigger, better, and faster. You build the entire car. This whole mindset shift really breaks down into 3 clear steps. Number 1, just stop generating all that low-value content. Step 2, start building a real product, a real service. And most importantly, step 3, make sure you are solving a real problem for real people.
And when you embrace this new approach, you take on a whole new identity. You become the AI architect.
So, what is an AI architect? Well, it's way more than just being good at writing prompts. They're the designer, the visionary. Sure, AI can write code in seconds, but it can't design the logic behind it. It doesn't understand user experience. It can't connect all the dots to create a product that people will actually love and pay for. That's where the human architect comes in.
Here are just a couple of examples of what's possible. Don't just ask AI to write an article about a game. Use it to help you code an actual interactive game with a payment system. Don't just generate another blog post about studying. Build a smart scheduling platform that really helps students. Because at the end of the day, this is what people open their wallets for. They pay for real solutions to their problems, for convenience that makes their lives easier, and for unique experiences they can't get anywhere else. So, this all leads us to one final and I think really powerful question. The gold rush is here, for sure, but the gold isn't floating in the streams of generated content. The real, lasting wealth is going to belong to the builders, the architects, the people who use these incredible tools to create things of genuine value. So, I'm going to leave you with this question. Forget the get-rich-quick stuff for a minute. What is one real-world problem that you think an AI-powered application could actually solve right now? The future belongs to the people who can answer that question.